Now, do you know this story? We're talking about the very last week of Jesus's mortal ministry on the earth, when he was crucified and then rose again from the tomb. But right before, the day before he was crucified, he went into a garden and he said a very sacred prayer for all of us, for you and for me. And it's hard to understand what happened in the garden unless you first understand what happened to you. So let's make you first. Pick a long, tall rock, and I hope you've been collecting them. And so all of these little rocks in our sack are all the things that make us sad and scared, and people are not always nice, and I don't always make the best decisions, and that's so hard that sometimes I cry. And there's a teardrop. When I notice, I'll look up and I'll say, Jesus, and I can pray and get help, and then my tears go away, and then I reach out for him, and he reaches out for me. He always reaches out for me. And then I feel so much better. So that's me, or that's you. And this is Jesus running to come help us. All right, just remember the most important thing, and that is that you are loved. Then you can pick yourself back up when sad things happen, and you can move forward knowing that it's going to be okay.